My Christmas holiday. I spent part of my Christmas holiday in Forza. I played ice hockey there. At the 26th of December, my bigger sister and brother come to Carina Ice to spend Christmas with us. That was funny. My best Christmas present was my ice hockey bag. It was a Bauer bag. The best thing was my present. My present gave me an ice hockey bag, ice hockey gloves, and a t-shirt. From my sister I got a game, and my brother gave me some money for new skates. About the food on Christmas, I like ham. I also like salmon and the potato thing that we have on Christmas. I watched my friend the New Year's Eve and shot rockets. That was funny.